friends, welcome to my show Art and Craft Life. I am Sneha Prabhat Thakur. Today I will show you how to make a piano with a normal card paper. For this piano, you will need a piece of card paper, compass, a normal pencil or clutch pencil, scissors, cutter, scale and glue for pasting. I have decided my piano size is 4 inch by 3 inch and total height is 2 inch. So let's begin. First of all, we will mark the base of a piano, whose size is 4 inch by 3 inch. And second, we have to copy by this stencil. Third one size is less than half inch. So my all markings are complete. So let's begin with some detail. For the top of the piano, we have to make 2 circles, one big and one small. And for combining this, we have to draw a curved line. And now get started to cut with a scissor. So finally our stencil is ready and we will mark. And now we will mark the second one. Next we will need a scale and a cutter. This one is base, this one is the middle portion and this one is the top of the cover. From this we will make a box for the middle portion. And this is also a box, and don't cut it, just slightly use a cutter. These are the legs of piano and these are the keys of piano. So now I am folding this one to make a box. And now we will make a legs of the piano. The first leg is ready and now we will make the second one. In piano, it is very important to draw the keys. So I am drawing the keys. My keys are ready and we have to just assemble it. Sticking the second one. So now we will stick the strip. And now we will cut the excess. Like this we will cut the sides. And now we will stick the legs. So now I will stick this top cover by this small paper. So now I am sticking this paper. First of all I will cut this because it is too big. Only keyboard is left, so I am sticking this keyboard. I have stuck the keyboard keys. And finally our piano is ready. You can also use colors if you want. I have already made a black one. You can also color this by using brown and black. If you like this video, comment it in the comment section below. Share it in your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.